I love you. 10:20 pa yan. I love you. Yes, what again? Malia? You say? I love you, nilalaro niyo. Oh, thank you for saying I love you. Love you. May dito. Ay. Uy, di nakita yung game. I love you guys. I Adidas this. Palaman tinapayuan na iyan. Hey! Adidas. Yeah, this one. Go, Malia. New makeup on. Yeah, girl. What? Excuse me. Two. Pabuhay lang sila, guys. They're pabuhay. Dahil that's so cute. Slay. Do me that. Ano ba yun? What? Kita ka sa video, you're getting mad at us. Malia, stop playing with this elevator. It's not yours, kay Liam nga yan eh. Ha? He told us to take care of it. Kapagalitan na ako, ako lagi yung nag-blame. Then the truth. I really won't like it na kasi when Malia always draw on his teddy bear, hindi niya nabate eh. Kaso, you pay. Wait, no, don't play with the lipstick. Even the tissue? No, kapagalitan na tuloy kami. What, Malia? Stop, kasi don't use our mom's make. Then why do you use it? Nagme-makeup nga kayo eh. I don't use it. I saw you maybe kanina you use your kita kang blush on. I can only use it kasi pag iba yung bawal. What if you guys are the one who breaks something? Ako ba babagalitan? We didn't touch your mix-ups naman in my task. Ano? Last time you still something on my task mo eh. What? Something. Maita told me kung nasan yung lipstick niya or blush on niya na wala. Well, you never let us eat my task. Yeah. Pinapasok kita noon last time. Tapos, nang pinalabas ko na kayo kasi tawag kayo, nawawala blush on in my pen, other makeup. And we're just watching the movie. We're not. We're touching things. So, we didn't touch your makeup. I didn't touch my makeup. And I didn't know. I didn't see any blush on the movie. I don't remember anything else. You opened my me and you and Malia opened the cabinet eh. And because we're gonna hide? No. Tapos sabi ni Mavis noon, wow, ang daming makeup. Malia said, wow. I don't remember anything. Yung last time. What last time? Bro loses his memory. I don't remember anything. Bro loses noong 2025. I still don't remember anything. Wow. Hey, no. Like, where's the seed? Wala ka dyan. Aliyah, charge the tablet na robot mo. 23. 23. Don't get tissue. Why is there a problem? Yeah. What's the problem? Baka maubos yung tissue. O yan, candy. Malia, hulog it. I hulog it accidentally. Ako na naman ba-blame yun. Malia, you wasted the candy. I put so many pa naman there. Malia, you waste the candy. I put candy nga there para i-clean. Ayan tuloy, ni-waste mo. Eat mo yan. Maybe where's the mascara? I don't know. Followers for Kiki. You get a big mess. I'm not clean that. I'm not clean that. You clean it. No. Well, you're the one who did it. Sabi mo, my followers are gonna eat them. Ganto o sabi mo, tapos tinapon mo. Nun wala na, ginanon ko na lang. You clean that. No, ako na, when I kalasal in your house, when I tapon the clips, the paper, you clean them. You not clean. Anong pink? I didn't say that naman eh. You're lying na naman eh. You do that talaga for me. What again? What again? What did I do? When Kylie is outside, what? I was touching your, I was drawing on the book, tapos I hulog your clips, the pink clips, and then you said, you kalat it naman talaga eh. That's why I made you clean it. Ang dami namang ginagawa ni Kuya Kylie mo at Mavis. Help us naman kasi nun. You're just drawing something eh. Kami, we're doing something. I-blind up sa Kuya Kylie. Tapos yung ano, i-open it? Did you see it ba? Did you see it ba na open? Wait, hindi ko tell, there's swimming pools that pinuntahan mo. Yeah. Sabi doon ni Mama wala. Ano, meron? Meron tayo.